Online catch-up. Navigating the digital learning curve. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video on English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and modern term, online catch-up. This phrase has become increasingly popular, especially in the digital age. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily life. Online catch-up refers to the act of engaging in online activities or learning to update oneself or to cover missed work. It's often used in the context of education or professional work. For example, if you miss a class or a meeting, you might do an online catch-up to review what was discussed. With the rise of the internet and digital platforms, online catch-up has become more accessible and efficient. Tools like video conferencing, educational apps, and online forums are crucial in this process. They enable people to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. In everyday conversation, you might hear phrases like, "I need to do an online catch-up for my missed lessons," or "Our team does online catch-ups every week." It's a flexible phrase that can be adapted to various contexts, from formal education to informal learning and professional settings. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you need to catch up on. 2. Use reliable resources. Utilize credible websites and tools. 3. Stay organized. Keep track of your progress. 4. Engage actively. Participate in discussions or forums if available. While online catch-up is convenient, it can come with challenges like technical issues or information overload. To overcome these, ensure a stable internet connection and break your learning into manageable chunks. We hope this video has been insightful in understanding what online catch-up means and how it can be applied in various contexts. Remember, the digital world offers countless opportunities for learning and growth. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.